Hey, marketing partners. Let's break down some tech essentials. Real talk, no fluff. First, CNAME. It's not just tech speak, it's your digital strategy's best friend.
I love
Got a
it.
blog or a side project? Link it to your main site with CNAME. It's like having one door that leads to all your cool stuff. But remember, it's about more than just linking sites. It's about creating a cohesive online brand. Now, TXT records. These aren't just random text strings. They're your domain's identity card. Whether you're setting up legit email campaigns or integrating with top-tier tools, TXT records are your way of saying, yep,
Yes!
this domain is all mine. Why is this crucial for you? Because in the digital world, trust and authenticity are currency. Let's talk about A records versus CNAME. A records are your domain's direct line. No detours, straight to your digital doorstep. CNAME, though, is your domain's alias, the secret handshake that leads to the same spot. Why care? Because knowing this is like having the ultimate roadmap to navigating the online landscape. Understanding this isn't just helpful for my fellow creators, affiliates, and entrepreneurs. It's a game changer. It's not just about what you create, but how you're seen. So how are you managing your digital presence? Are you making the most of these tools? I'm here to help you nail this. Let's master the tech, build our brands, and make our mark. Remember, knowledge is more than power in this digital arena. It's your launchpad. There you go. Let's take this tech talk and turn it into our digital edge. How are you planning to use these insights? Drop a comment. Let's chat.